how to use history and Snapchat option on photopea.com. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you have to go is you have to go on the Windows option, and in the Windows option you have to select for histories option. As the histories option is ticked or selected, then you have to go the histories option that is over here. Now in the history option, that is a very good option. You can just turn on and go to the point where you made a change, and after that you don't want to save all the changes after that, and you can click on that and you will go to the change, and all the things after that will not be shown. Now let's say I have to snapshot this one. The snapshot is an option in which you can save this exact point that you have done and not any other point. This is not available in photopea.com right now, but it will be available. But if you want to do so, then you have to save the document right over here, and then it will just make the changes that are available right in this form, and it will not do any other thing. So this is just a snapshot option, just like the Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.